I am Sunil Rajput. I am a certified personal trainer and kickboxing skill coach. I am working with Dragon Martial Art Academy in India. This video is for my ISSA Strength and Conditioning Certificate Final Exam. Today, Nakul Chauhan is with us. He is a 5-time national kickboxing champion. I have designed this workout to enhance his performance in kickboxing fights. This is his early season, and the objective of this training program is to enhance his speed, agility and endurance. Let's start the workout. First of all, we will do some warm up. 5 minutes cycling, jumping jacks 20, spot running 30 seconds, high knee 20, lateral lunge 10 each side, body weight squats 20, push up 20, curl up 30, plank 1 minute, side plank 1 minute each side. And after warm up, we will do some workouts for improving balance. High knee hold with trunk rotation 10 reps each side, step back lunge with high knee hold, single leg Romanian deadlift with high knee hold 10 reps each side. Some agility drills, 4 drill 3 to 4 time repetition. After warm up and agility ladder drills, we will do some core strengthening workouts. Exercise ball tuck, explosive push up on a medicine ball, 2 to 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Workouts for explosiveness and strength endurance: kettlebell thrusters, medicine ball side rotational throw, barbell overhead punch, kettlebell swing, box jump and kettlebell snatch. Each exercise 2 to 3 sets and 15 to 20 reps. And in cool down, we'll do some static stretches. Good morning stretch with toe touch, standing side stretch, across the body shoulder stretch, supine hamstring stretch, supine tongue twist and cobra stretch. Warm up and cool down are the essential part of all exercise sessions. The purpose of warm up is to increase the temperature of the muscles and connective tissue, reducing the risk of soft tissue injury and allow the cardiovascular system to adjust blood flow from the abdominal area to active muscles where oxygen is needed. Warm up should gradually increase the heart rate, blood pressure and oxygen consumption. Warm-up should consist of 2 components: graduated aerobic warm-up activity and dynamic stretches. People just looking to increase their general level of health and fitness, a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes warm-up would be enough. But if you are involved in high-level competitive sports like kickboxing, you need to dedicate adequate time and efforts to a complete warm-up. I include plank, side plank and curl up for activation of core. Core activation before starting your real workout is a good practice. When your core muscles are not activated, your form suffers and you increase your risk of injuries. And after activation of core, you will able to perform exercises more efficiently and with correct form. Now we'll do some workout for improving balance. Okay. First, high knee hold with trunk rotation. Hold your knee in high position, hands forward, core engage, and slowly move your body side and
back without moving your hips. And now other side. Hold and rotate. Slow. Step back lunge with high knee. Step back lunge and high knee hold. Step back lunge and high knee hold. 10 reps each side. And third one is Romanian deadlift with high knee hold. Romanian deadlift and high knee hold. So, without rotating your hip, Romanian deadlift and high knee hold.
Now the warm-up is complete. We will do some balance exercise. As a kickboxing fighter, you must have good balance. These movements are single leg movement and very effective in improving balance of body on both sides. Workout for improving balance: high knee hold with trunk rotation, step back lunge with high knee hold, single leg Romanian deadlift with high knee hold. Kickboxing require a lot of agility, so we will do some agility ladder drills. These drills improve speed, agility, quickness and footwork. Ladder drills are beneficial to strengthen your joints, ligaments and tendons. Core strengthening workouts. A strong core can improve punches and kicks strength as well as endurance. Core strengthening and endurance will also improve your coordination. The exercise ball tuck is an advanced abdominal exercise. The ball forces you to stabilize your body while performing the knee tuck. This exercise requires you to focus your attention on using proper technique, which helps you get more out of the exercise. Workout for explosiveness and strength endurance.
Like this in both hands.
The goal of the martial artist should be to lift weights for athletic gains.
Squat
The
down.
exercise routine should be formulated to not only promote muscle growth but fast twitch muscle fibers for explosive movements as well as endurance and strength. Kettlebell thresher. This exercise is a combination of a front squat and an overhead press. Thresher help boost your metabolism and increase your muscular endurance and strength. They improve intramuscular coordination, movement efficiency and flexibility.
Marathon ball side throw is a great exercise for power in your lats. Get ball like this and hit the ball to the ground.
Medicine ball side rotational throw. Stand approx 3 feet apart from the wall. Slightly bend your knees and push the ball through the ground on the wall. Repeat 15 to 20 reps on each side.
Speed.
Medicine ball side rotational throw. Medicine ball side rotational throw is an excellent exercise for developing rotational force and power.
It's a barbell
Barbell overhead punch.
It's a very good exercise.
Secure the bar in a corner or against a wall. Hold the bar with one hand. Bring the bar to the right shoulder and push up explosively. Using the hip, punch the bar overhead. Slowly lower the bar to the left shoulder and punch the bar overhead. And repeat.
Explosive.
Barbell overhead punch. The barbell overhead punch exercise develops strength in the core and shoulder muscles. Perform as many reps as you can perform using good form. As your condition improves, you may add weight to increase difficulty. Kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is a great exercise. The kettlebell swing hits almost everything in your body. It's a total body movement with just one exercise. The explosive movement of kettlebell swing effectively strengthens the power area of your body. It's one of the best exercises for improving athletes' performance. While performing kettlebell swing, you need to keep your back straight and engage your core, and forward bend comes from your hips instead of slouching your back.
Explosive. Fast. Core engage. Push.
Box jump. Box jumps are a plyometric exercise used to create powerful legs. Box jump. Stand with your feet directly underneath you. Jump up onto the box, landing with the feet directly underneath you. Immediately jump back down, landing with your feet directly underneath you. Repeat without pausing during the landing phases. Kettlebell snatch. The kettlebell snatch is a full body power exercise. It works the hamstring, quad, back, and shoulders. You pull a kettlebell off the floor from its squat position, swing the weight up overhead, perform the movement quickly and explosively. down. The purpose of cool down is to slowly decrease the heart rate and overall metabolism. In cool down, we are doing some static stretches. Stretching is very beneficial for improving flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to move a joint through its full range of motion. Flexibility is important for joint health. Good morning stretch with toe touch. This exercise stretches spine and shoulders. Standing side stretch. This exercise stretches many muscles in the trunk, mainly obliques. Across the body, shoulder stretch for shoulder stretching. Supine hamstring stretch. Supine trunk twist. This exercise develops spine and hip flexibility. And cobra stretch for spine flexibility.